Video games have come a long way since their inception, but not all of them have been hits. In fact, some games have been so bad that they have been deemed some of the worst ever made. Here are 5 of the worst video games ever created. E.T. the Extraterrestrial, 1982. This game was developed and published by Atari for the Atari 2600 console and was based on the popular movie of the same name. However, the game was so poorly made that it was a commercial failure, and Atari was forced to bury thousands of unsold copies in a landfill. Superman 64, 1999. Developed by Titus Software and published by Warner Bros. Interactive, this game was released for the Nintendo 64 console. The game was criticized for its poor graphics, dull gameplay, and frustrating controls. Big Rigs, Over-the-Road Racing, 2003. Developed and published by Steampunk, this game was released for PC and received extremely negative reviews for its poor graphics, non-existent AI, and the ability for the player's truck to drive off the edge of the map without penalty. Plumbers Don't Wear Ties, 1994. Developed by John Romero and published by Voyager Company, this game was released for the 3D console. It was criticized for its poor acting, nonsensical plot, and lack of gameplay. Aquaman, Battle for Atlantis, 2003. Developed by Lucky Chicken Games and published by TDK Mediactive, this game was released for the Xbox, Nintendo GameCube, and PlayStation 2. It was criticized for its poor graphics, repetitive gameplay, and unresponsive controls. These 5 games represent some of the worst in video game history, but they serve as a reminder that not all games are winners. While these games may have been commercial failures, they have become a cautionary tale for game developers, reminding them to strive for quality in their work.